The Indian Navy is set to commission its second indigenous aircraft carrier IAC 2, which will significantly enhance the country's maritime capabilities and create new career opportunities for aspiring naval aviators. Enhance maritime capabilities. The IAC 2, which is currently under construction at the Cochin Shipyard Limited, will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology and weaponry, including advanced radar system, missile defense system, and a range of aircraft. The carrier will have a displacement of over 65,000 tons and will be capable of carrying over 30 aircraft, including fighter jet, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV). Career opportunities. The Indian Navy new aircraft carrier will create a range of career opportunities for young men and women who aspire to serve in the naval aviation branch. Aspiring naval aviators can look forward to flying some of the most advanced aircraft in the world, including the MiG-29K and the indigenous Tejas. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible to join the Indian Navy Naval Aviation Branch, candidate must meet the following criteria: age under 90 to 25 years, education bachelor degree in any discipline, physical fitness meet the Indian Navy physical fitness standards. Selection process. The selection process for the Indian Navy's Naval Aviation Branch involves the following stages: online application, written examination, service selection board SSB interview, medical examination, merit list. How to apply? Aspiring naval aviators can apply online through the Indian Navy official website. The application process typically starts in June or July every year. Conclusion. The Indian Navy's new aircraft carrier is a significant milestone in the country's maritime history, and it's offer exciting career opportunities for young men and women who aspire to serve in the naval aviation branch. If you are passionate about flying and serving your country, this could be the perfect career path for you. Please like, subscribe,